Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. It's New Year 2023 and I'm coming up with a new recipe. So this is the first time I am trying my hand in miniature cooking. So the recipe I'll share with you, that is a Garo recipe, a tribal recipe. The name is Kappa. So I guess I pronounced right. The recipe I'll do it in the teeny, that is not a toy, but these are miniature cooking. So in Garo recipe, Kappa, it's kind of oil-free chili chicken because they are using lots of chilies, but I'm not using lots of chilies. I just use only one. But you can, in the description box, you can see that how much chili you can use. So you just read the description box and follow the cooking. So don't worry, you don't have to the miniature thing. You can cook it in your normal utensils. Not a problem at all. Just follow the cooking instruction. And one more thing, there is another recipe. It's like this Kappa, but that is called chicken goppa. That is a recipe of Cox's Bazar area, Bangladesh. So that is also a Pahari recipe, a recipe from here. So that will be shared in the link will be in the description box. So let's go and cook. I have this with skin chicken and I will cut into small pieces. This recipe should be done with skin. Without chicken it won't be possible. And finally today I am going to prepare a recipe from the hills, a tribal recipe, the Garo recipe, Kappa. So this is chicken, chicken wings. It's a miniature version. So chicken wings with skin I cut into small pieces, and I have this cooking soda. And then I have this ginger paste, salt and green chili. In this recipe, Garo people, they use lots of chili, but I cannot have lots of chili, so I have only one. And this is the miniature version. So this is my stove, cooking oven, stove, whatever you say today. So I am using this dry leaf and small woods. Let's try the cooking. And I'll start the cooking. So this is my tiny kadai, and in this cooking we are not going to use any water. And now first I will add the chicken. So the chicken is here. Chicken wings actually. And then have to stir a bit. So first I will add the chili with this and the salt and the ginger paste. Then I will stir it for a couple of minutes. Be very careful. And I will add some water. Give it a stir. And add the cooking soda as well. And I'll cover it. So the cooking is going on. You can see it will take at least 10 to 15 minutes. And one more thing, if you want, you can try this in normal gas oven also. So later on I will show you the recipe as well. But right now I am doing it in a traditional way. You can see the bubble is coming up. So you can see the cooking is going on. And it's really very cute because this is the first time I'm trying hand in this miniature cooking. So this is really very cute and the cooking is going on. I will open the lid and I'll show you how it's going. And let me check if it's done or not. Just open the lid carefully. Okay. So what I can see, the chicken is cooked. So here is the chicken. You can see it's half cooked. Another is cooking, the small one. So this one is whitish, one-sided. So it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes more. And there won't be any gravy, so I'm waiting for that. So the recipe of Garo Kappa, it's really very nice, and with lesser ingredients you can make it at home. So I'll continue the cooking and give it a start. In this recipe they're using lots of chili, but as I said, I'm not using lots of chilies. What I need to do, just I have to cook it, and it's no oil, zero oil. The oil is coming up from the skin of this chicken, so this is a zero oil and a healthy one.
And it reminds me of my childhood days when my neighbors used to play with this kind of earthen pot and miniature cooking. I never did it because I always used to play with football, cricket.
This is what I can say, kind of oil-free chili chicken. So it won't take much time. The gravy will be dried, and the cooking soda we used, so that is the main one, the magic ingredient I can say, that will change the taste, and it's really looking very nice. So this is the recipe of Garo tribal, and there is another kind of recipe with this chicken as well. So that is a different one, but that is made with the Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar, that is the area. So I will show that recipe later on. So right now you can subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu for this kind of recipes, or you can go through Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen or Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, and for food order you can go through Madhurima's Kitchen Zomato page. So till then I'm going to enjoy this recipe. You just try this recipe at home and let me know how it is.
So this is the surprise in 2023 for all of my viewers and subscribers, the miniature cooking at last from Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So Madhurima's Kitchen always give you the surprise in taste and in cooking and in the technique as well. So stay tuned with Madhurima's Kitchen. Thank you.